Hey everyone, I'm Gotti, and welcome to another tasty episode. Today, I'm settling a debate that's been raging since the dawn of donuthood. Who makes the world's most delicious donuts, Britain or Poland? There's only one way to find out, an international taste test. So I hit up London's best shop for my UK donuts, Greggs. Then I grabbed some American favourites, Krispy Kreme and Dunkin' Donuts, to bring for comparison. Then I flew to Warsaw with my cardboard boxes of donuts for the ultimate showdown. Time to find out. The first stop was Krispy Kreme in London, where I loaded up on their signature glazed donuts, still warm and cakey, yet fluffy. Then I hit Dunkin' Donuts and grabbed a big box of their jelly-filled and chocolate-glazed. Finally, it was off to the British classic Greggs, where I got a dozen of their tasty cake and yeast donuts, covered in sugar and nicely greasy. With my dozens of donuts carefully packed, I was ready to jet off to Poland. Touching down in Warsaw, after the quick Ryanair flight over to Warsaw, I dropped my bags at the hotel and made a beeline for the nearest bakery. As soon as I stepped inside, the heavenly smell of fresh donuts filled my nose. I got an assortment of fillings, rose jam, custard, chocolate, and even a savoury mushroom one. Their donuts looked perfectly plump, yet delicate. Was I about to have a spiritual experience? The moment of truth. In my hotel room, I cleared the desk and carefully laid out all the donuts. British ones versus gorgeous Polish donuts and American ones. Let the judging commence. I documented it all in a little montage for you. The Krispy Kreme dough was sweet and cakey, yet still fluffy. The Greggs were more bready in texture, but nicely greasy and sugared up. And the Dunkin' went heavy on the fillings, from sweet jelly to rich chocolate. Overall, some solid contenders. But then I took a bite of the Polish donut, still slightly warm from the bakery oven. The dough was so much richer, yet also light and melting in my mouth. And the fillings were incredible. The rose jam tasted like actual roses, while the custard was silky smooth. Even the chocolate and mushroom ones were insanely decadent. One bite, and it was like angels were singing. Poland was the clear winner here. Well, there you have it, folks. Irrefutable proof you can't beat an authentic, freshly baked Polish donut. Who knew flying 600 miles just to stuff my face full of pastries would be so worth it? Have you tried Polish donuts before? Or do you prefer American chains like Krispy Kreme and Dunkin'? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty travels. Until next time, I'm Gotti reminding you all that life is sweet. Grab a donut and enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.